Alright, first graders, today I'm going to show you how to draw some penguins. And we're going to try drawing those penguins in different positions. So the first thing I want you to do is start off, and you don't need to write your name on the back today because this is just going to be a practice one. But I do want you to divide it in half with a vertical line and then also a horizontal line. That's going to give us 1, 2, 3, 4 areas to do some practice drawings of penguins. Okay? For the first one, that's going to be right here in the first box. We're going to do a penguin that's looking straight at us. Okay, so I have a little idea sheet I was going off of here. So this one, I want you to start off first of all with the body. So you're going to do an oval. Okay, that's going to be a larger one. And then on the top, we're going to give it a smaller head. So it's not going to be quite as big. And this one's going to be round. Next, we're going to give it some wings. Okay, so I like to start here, and then I'm going to go over and down. So I'm going to go over, and then I come back and I hit the body part here. So I go back and hit there, and I do the same thing on the other side. Next, the eyes. We're going to have eyes here and off to the side. And then the nose is going to be kind of like a diamond. So look carefully at this. It's like a diamond. And then I like to split it in half. Okay? Next, I'm going to do a circle in the middle. This is going to show where the color changes on the body. And again, these are just really simple penguins. Not a ton of details here. And then I'm going to be doing triangles, so the legs kind of stick out like that. Give ourselves a little penguin look. Okay? So that's the first one, and that is a penguin looking straight on. Okay? For the second one, I'm going to do a side view of a penguin. A side view. Okay? So side view is pretty much the same. I'm going to start off with an oval. And this penguin's going to be looking this way. And then I'm going to start off with the head again. Nice and round. And then for here, I want to have the nose sticking out this way, or the beak, so I just do a triangle coming off this side. And then I'm only going to see one eye. And then if you notice on a penguin, they have a darker on the back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the wing coming down. But they kind of have this darker area here that could be colored in. If you want to shade that in, you could shade that in a little bit to make that darker. You know, that's going to be where the black is. And then even on the back side of the head, you can see the darkness there too. See the penguins. And then you only see a little bit here, so this penguin's looking at us, and this one's looking to the left there. For the third one, this one's going to be one that's maybe swimming in the water. So I'm going to do an oval now, where I do it this long way, so it's stretched left to right. Maybe it's, you know, like a torpedo here. The head is over here. Beak is facing down. And then we're going to take it here, and we're going to be this is kind of where the darkness is too, so the eye is going to be right here. And we're going to get some darkness divide that in half there. So this is where the shaded part would be. And then this one's swimming, so it's going to have, you could have them going down this way, the fin, and then this triangle at the back here. So it's really going fast here. Okay, and you could shade that one in as well. Alright, there's 3 different positions. For this 4th one, this one's on your own. So I want you to come up with a different way that your penguin, maybe it's looking to the right, maybe it's looking down. Try to play around with, maybe it's jumping, maybe it's doing something different than what we did here. Maybe it's coming at a diagonal. Okay? Try one there on your own. And then on the back side, if you have a little bit extra time, I want you to practice maybe doing some icebergs. And you know, I saw this really cool picture here of different penguins, which we're going to be working on a little bit later. But I want you to then do a practice one. Maybe try to come up with a way, maybe draw like an iceberg. You know, maybe something up in the air. Maybe there's an iceberg, and then you could draw, you know, penguins that are jumping around and maybe doing stuff on their own. Okay, you could do different things like that. Maybe there's an iceberg here, and then we have a penguin, you know, that's kind of looking off the end here. And once you know how to do one, guys, it's pretty cool because it doesn't take that long to draw a bunch of penguins in different positions. Alright, guys, looking forward to your painting drawings or your penguin drawings today, and to see if you guys can come up with different ideas having these penguins doing different things. Alright, good luck.